you need to add a border to your page, you can go to Design tab, and from Design tab find Page Borders. Make sure you have selected Page Border here, and you can choose a border for your page. There are some different styles you can choose from them. For example, I will choose this style, and I can change the color or change the width, and finally press OK. Okay, if you need other styles, you can use art for your page. There are some different arts you can choose from them for your page, and you can add to your border. Another option you have is you can choose, for example, you want to add just top and bottom border. You can disable, for example, left and right, and you can use apply to just add the top and bottom borders, or you can change the borders as you